LA is a really great place. It's beautiful. People here love cars. So that's one of the reasons why we chose to bring our first City Edition in the United States to the LA area. I'm Paul LaPenta, and I'm the Department Manager for Urban Mobility Solutions in the United States for Mercedes-Benz.
My name is Daniel de Paris. I'm in charge of a very talented team called Urban Mobility Solutions. The role that we have is to be very much citizen-centric and city-centric. 70% of our customers live in urban areas, and I don't need to tell you that change happens in cities.
My name is Kumar Liu. Now I work for Mercedes-Benz for 8 years. The vehicle we are launching with the City Edition is the EQS 580.
The EQS 580 sedan is already an impressive array of driver assistance sensors. These sensors are constantly monitoring the environment around them, and they help our drivers avoid potential collisions.
The technology that we have in the vehicle and the data that we collect, that we anonymize, we can provide very valuable insights to cities to improve their infrastructure.
At Mercedes-Benz, we have such a rich knowledge and set of data that we can use to identify different areas of challenge and opportunities for cities.
We are trying to make data for good.
Every EQS City Edition will come with a unique badge on the exterior and the interior of the car. There's an outline of the state of California to celebrate the fact that we're launching this for the first time in the LA area. Whether the EQS City Edition is the customer's first or fifth electric vehicle, we wanted to make that experience as easy and seamless as possible. So the EQS City Edition comes with a ChargePoint HomeFlex wall box.
To make installation simple, we are offering up to $1,000 with Qmerit.
We've partnered with Qmerit to offer a dedicated concierge service, and we'll be there to help you through the installation process of your wall box in your home from start to finish. And on top of that, we will give you a $250 credit for your Mercedes Me Charge account, which you can use on the ChargePoint network for public charging.
So we thought that, to complement the EQS driving experience, we are partnering with the company called Unagi Scooters.
The first US City Edition is a real bundle in terms of mobility, multimodality, charging, but also we are able to go, if you want, beyond the vehicle and really helping and serving the local communities.
For every EQS City Edition sold, we will make a donation to a local California chapter of Safe Kids. Mercedes-Benz is committed to sustainable urban mobility, and with the EQS City Edition, we're taking a further step towards that.